Stop it, Ashley. I don't think I got enough. I'm almost out.
Eli, sugar.
And 1 teaspoon.
We already have that stuff. Any more?
Yep.
Eli, what you doing?
You gotta bring that pot to me.
The little one?
Yeah. It's like the only one. Ashley, not right now, please.
I'm not taking no pictures. Yeah.
It's that stuff that carries jerk.
Gosh dang jerk.
Do you put the text in the text or the subject?
Subject.
Are you sending her it?
No. Not me.
Ashley!
I'm taking a video, Alicia. So you're in it. Well, you're the one.
YouTube capture mode. You can go ahead and put that.
Get
Put
that
back
chicken.
in now.
Where, in the fridge?
This is gonna take 5
Gosh, it
10 minutes.
stinks. Is this supposed to get into a salad?
Ew,
Yeah.
feel it. It's so gross.
I don't think she will.
Ew. It's sick.
Ew.
Vegetarians are cool. What's the scarf doing, Alicia?